Interior design tips, styling ideas, how-tos and tutorials. Introducing DesignBeau Masterclass. Kicking off this series is fireplace styling. This series consists of 4 episodes of 4 styling variations of this cast iron Georgian fireplace. And this week's episode is Blend of Bohemian, a miscellaneous style. I want to try something different. I'm going to use a tapestry or wall hanging above the mantle instead of the traditional mirror. Recycling and upcycling are great for styling. I've reused an old gin bottle here as a vase. You can also paint or spray any of the vases you have to suit the scheme. Go big. Use things that are tall, that create frames around your other pieces that you're styling with. Then go small to contrast this. Choose smaller, more intricate pieces to place on the mantelpiece. This is going to give a great variety of different heights. Appealing to the senses through touch is a fantastic opportunity to heighten the enjoyment of your styling piece. A faux fur rug has been introduced for this very reason. Play around, mix and match with your accessories. Here I used a candle stand as a plant stand. Made it work for this styling scheme. Utilising space, making sure every space you see as an opportunity to style and create and to add to your scheme. Tweak your scheme as it naturally evolves into place. Rearrange if you need to. If you're not happy with it, move it and move on. Go extra. If your styling piece is getting out of control, don't be afraid to go OTT. It might just be what it needs. And just go for it. Get your accessories together, get your feature, and have a good time styling. You don't know what's going to happen until you give it a go. And here it is, a blend of Bohemian, a miscellaneous style by DesignBeau. A boho and shabby chic infused interior design style. This style is not for the faint-hearted and lends itself towards a boutique retail display. Utilising the cast iron insert to display dried flowers allowing an organic overflow. Woven tapestry wall hangings create a soft and textured background, fantastic for layering frame pieces. And a plush faux fur rug signifies a luxurious style, and the elevated plants establish depth and diversity. Please give my channel a like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my website at www.designbeau.co.uk where you can find more inspiration and my interior design services. And join me next Sunday for the next edition in this styling series. Goodbye!